Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. AVAX continues to be in this local price range here between the breakout point, the green line at around $37.20, and the support region. Well, it goes down to $29.10. Below that level, I haven't got anything that's clearly bullish left. Even at the moment, I would only really see in my primary scenario this rally if we get a breakout as a larger ABC structure. Okay, fair enough. If another 4 or 5 holds afterwards, we can add it, and I will add a support area once this top is in. But yeah, it's just not, I don't have a lot of confidence into this. Let me explain. The entire structure here, looks unfinished to the downside. It looks corrective, yes. It's a 3-wave move, yes. But we haven't reached the ideal support zone, so it seems like it's unfinished and could rather develop a larger A, B, C pattern. And this B wave, however, might still be unfolding in an A, B, C structure. And in this video, we want to talk about, okay, if this A, B, C structure in yellow plays out, what would be targets, what's a breakout point, and so on. Already made you aware a few days ago about this support area there in orange, the price reversed in it, or out of it, and yeah, what's happening here? So first of all, I think we can identify a potential inverse head and shoulders pattern here. Can you see that? It's not the most beautiful one, but they are rarely beautiful. So I have here support, resistance here at the green line around $37.20, but then a left shoulder, a head, and the right shoulder. So that's one observation. So potential breakout point, yeah? If we get that, again, then you can say, okay, where do we put that line? Do we maybe put it a little higher, that neckline, okay? That's obviously a bit of a range anyway. And if I move it a little higher, we have a breakout point here at actually $37.70. But I think it's a little bit of a price range. It's a bit of a price range, really. So a successful break could send the price, first of all, to the 100% extension level of this A wave. So let's assume the rally between the 23rd of January and the 30th was an A wave. It's a 5-wave move, but it's a very, very questionable 5-wave move. It could also be 3 waves. Doesn't really make a difference because an A wave can be a 3-wave move or a 5-wave move. But because it could also be 3, I'm definitely leaning towards the yellow count. Not the white one. That needs to prove itself. So, okay, what is a target area? And, well, we can take the length of the A wave. We go to the low of the B wave and measure that. And typically a first level to watch, 1 second, just need to adjust that a bit. So, first level to watch is sort of here, $43, $44. I already added it. A few cents different, doesn't really make a great difference, but it's sort of the area around 43, 44 that shows us the 100% extension level. That's at least the very first key level to watch if we get that successful breakout. Because that's the first target. Standard target for a C wave, 100% extension level of the A wave. We should watch for some resistance there. It's also exactly where we have the previous swing high that formed here on the 2nd of January. So it's structural resistance as well as Fibonacci resistance. So that's a level to watch and to remember. There is small structural resistance here around $41.70, but that's just a small, let's say a small one. There's no Fibonacci resistance that's in that area, so certainly not relevant from an Elliott wave point of view. But maybe we might see a little bit of a slowdown there. Okay, then in addition to that, let's see where the volume is sitting. Historical volume. We're at the VRVP volume profile. Here you can see that we're currently in this area around the point of control. So that's typically where the price is slowing down. It is slowing down at the moment. So the point of control is around $36. So we're fighting with that at the moment. But where's the next level? Because it could act as, let's say, an additional area where the price is slowing down. Again, not so relevant from an Elliott wave point of view. If we get a breakout here, it suggests that there should be another area where the price could be slowing down here. Basically here around that previous swing high, and the price could slow down here in this region. So around $40 before then really breaking higher towards 43, 44, and then we need to see how it reacts to that level. If we then reach that area, and okay, there will be other extensions higher, we can look at them as well, but if we see a rejection from that level, it could indicate that the wave C has formed a top. So what would be further extensions which are also possible? So further Fibonacci extensions as a potential target for wave C are the 1.236 and the 1.38 extensions, possibly all the way up to the 1.618, but I'll leave that off for now. Then we talk about $47 and $49. $49 obviously highly relevant because it is the December high. Yeah, that's just, I think, that gives you an overview of all the relevant parameters to watch. We have a possible breakout point, a next target, an area of resistance, and support is very well defined as well. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.